What if I told you one of the most exciting laptops of 2026 isn't trying to beat the MacBook by being thinner or the XPS by looking flashier? Instead, it's trying to completely change how we think about buying a laptop. This is the latest Framework Laptop 13 Pro, and after checking out everything it brings to the table, I can honestly say this isn't just another spec upgrade. It's a laptop built around one simple idea: your computer should last for years, not until the next product launch. And surprisingly, this generation finally packs the performance and battery life to match that vision. If you're into premium ultrabooks, developer machines, or simply want the smartest laptop investment of 2026, stick around because there's a lot to unpack. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest laptop and tech reviews. The first thing you'll notice is that Framework hasn't abandoned what made it special. The modular design is still here, but everything feels far more premium. The new CNC machined aluminum chassis gives the laptop a cleaner, stronger feel while staying compatible with previous Framework Laptop 13 mainboards. That means if you've owned an older model, many components remain reusable instead of becoming electronic waste. It's an approach almost no other laptop manufacturer offers, and honestly, it's refreshing. Even the signature expansion card system is back, letting you swap between USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, SD card, or extra storage in seconds without carrying dongles everywhere. That's flexibility most premium laptops simply can't match. Performance is where this generation takes a massive leap. Framework now offers Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors, including configurations that go all the way up to the Core Ultra X9388H with Intel Arc B390 integrated graphics and dedicated AI processing capable of around 50 TOPS. For productivity, software development, creative workloads, and even casual gaming, this is a serious upgrade over previous models. Whether you're editing 4K videos, compiling code, multitasking with dozens of browser tabs, or experimenting with AI applications, the laptop feels built for demanding users instead of just everyday office work. And because Framework lets you upgrade major components later, you're not locked into today's hardware forever. That's something almost every Windows laptop should have adopted years ago. The display also deserves attention. You're getting a gorgeous 13.5-inch 2.8K touchscreen with a 3:2 aspect ratio, up to 700 nits of brightness, adaptive 30 to 120 Hz refresh rate, full sRGB coverage, factory color calibration, and a matte finish that keeps reflections under control. It looks fantastic whether you're writing documents, editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web. Pair that with a much improved haptic touchpad, comfortable keyboard, upgraded speakers, and Wi-Fi 7 support, and the overall daily experience feels far more premium than older Framework systems. If you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe because we've got plenty more hands-on laptop coverage coming your way. Battery life has finally become one of Framework's biggest strengths instead of a compromise. Thanks to Intel's new architecture and a larger battery, Framework claims up to 20 hours of video playback, around 17 hours of active web browsing, and impressive standby endurance depending on workload and settings. Real-world results will obviously vary, but early testing suggests this is easily the longest-lasting Framework laptop ever released. Better efficiency also means quieter cooling under lighter tasks, making it much more pleasant during everyday use. Add official Linux support, Windows compatibility, repair-friendly internals, replaceable storage, upgradable memory options, and easy access to replacement parts. And it's obvious this laptop is designed to stay useful long after most competitors would be replaced. Of course, it's not perfect. Premium modular engineering comes with a higher price, especially if you choose higher memory configurations, and you can buy similarly powerful traditional ultrabooks for less money. But that's also missing the point. You're not just paying for today's specifications. You're investing in a laptop that can evolve over time instead of forcing you into an entirely new purchase every few years. That philosophy alone makes the Framework Laptop 13 Pro stand out in a market filled with sealed, disposable machines. If long-term value, repairability, customization, and strong modern performance matter to you, this may genuinely be one of the smartest laptop purchases of 2026. Let me know what you think about Framework's approach in the comments below. Would you choose a modular laptop over a traditional Ultrabook? If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tech video.